Okay.
Okay, so when you get the tube, it'll look like this. You'll take off all of this stuff really carefully because it's got really fine wires that are underneath it. So be careful not to mess any of them up. And then you install the stanchions. This is the right stanchion and this is the left stanchion. And after you get them installed, you take the bulb and you slide it inside of that.
Oh, well, do you want me to?
Then using the smallest of the blocks with the screws, you tighten it up and screw it down to where that's tight against the end of it. And then this, of course, is on the other end, and it goes through there, and that's where the larger block goes. It goes right there. And then you screw it together tight so that they're all nice and tight. And then there is a connector. Well, that is if you can get the dumb thing off. There's an electrical connection in the back that plugs into its reciprocal place coming out of the back of the clock. So that's it. That's what you have to do. Stanchions. And then the blocks. Right block, left block. Lights are on the bottom. And then plug it in. That's it. Thank you.